How to clear download history in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear your download history in Google Chrome. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just tap on downloads. And now here in this section, you'll see the list of all the downloaded files. So here to remove an item from the downloaded history, you can just tap on the three dot icon next to it and select remove or delete to remove that particular file from the list. And here you can repeat the same steps for any other downloads that you want to remove. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.